Dear students, welcome to my class. I am Mohotarema Begum, Senior Teacher in English, Bogra Cantonment Public School and College. Today I am going to discuss a lesson of class 10 from English for today. But before discussing the lesson, I want to show you some pictures. Look at the picture at first. Students, you can see here three pictures. One is a Shohid Minar and second one is of processions and the last one is a public gathering. To see the pictures, obviously you have understood what's the today's topic. Now I can announce the topic. Our today's topic is International Mother Language Day and it is from Unit 3, Lesson 3. Before going through the lesson, we must know some keywords. First word, observe means celebrate, tribute means homage, respect, lay down which means sacrifice and dedicate, protest means objection and disapproval, momentum, speed, velocity, defy, ignore, connive, kindle, light, ignite. Okay students, now we can start our passage. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Shafiur and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. Students, now we can discuss about some multiple choice questions. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. Number 1. When was the seed of the language movement sown? Options are 21st February 1952, 21st March 1948, 16 December 1971 and 26 March 1971. Correct answer 21st March 1948. Question number B. We pay dash to the language martyrs. Options are disregard, dishonor, homage and disrespect. Correct answer homage. Question number C. The gap between the beginning and the climax of language movement. Options are 2 years, 3 years, 4 years and 5 years. Correct answer 4 years. Question number D. Pakistani government declared Bangla as a state language because they were, options are compelled to do that, requested to do that, urged to do that and advised to do that. Correct answer compelled to do that. Question number E. What could be the closest meaning for kindle? Options are exhaust, ignite, agitate and extinguish. Correct answer, ignite. Question number F. The phrase storm of protests means options are mild protest, strong protest, moderate protest and symbolic protest. Correct answer, strong protest. Question number G and the last question. On 21st February, people go to the Shahid Minar in procession singing. Options are national anthem, morning song, Bhartiali and patriotic song. Correct answer, morning song. Students, now we will answer to some questions based on our text. Question number 1. Why do we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day? We observe it to show respect to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives to establish Bangla as our state language. Question number B. Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. Who said that? When and where did he say that? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the then Governor General of Pakistan, said that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. He said that on 21st March 1948 at a public meeting in Dhaka. Question number C. Why did the government outlaw all sorts of public meetings and rallies? The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies in order to stop the language movement. Number D. Why did police kill Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Shafiur and Jabbar? The moral strength of the students' peaceful procession in support of Bangla as a state language frightened the Pakistani government. Therefore, their police opened fire and killed Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Shafiur and Jabbar. Our last question. How is language movement related to the independence of Bangladesh? Answer. Success of language movement succeeded in kindling the sparks of independence movement. The independence movement eventually turned into the liberation war, and the Bengalis got a new country, Bangladesh. Okay, students, now it is the time for your homework. Your homework is a letter to your pen friend describing him about the celebration of 21st February of this year in your school campus. Now, we are going to finish the class. I hope you are benefited by the class. Okay, students, thank you.